Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's one, we're going to be talking about a very cool side hustle that no one's really talking about. We're going to be making anywhere from $10 to $100 per day, depending on how much work you're willing to put into this method. It is very simple, and it's just like using YouTube comments. And no, we're not going to be like spamming YouTube comments. We're just going to be using them as a resource. Make sure to stay till the end because I'm going to be giving you a free resource that's going to make like your life a whole lot easier doing this method. So let's get into it. So guys, as you know, YouTube is a very competitive platform. There are like tons of creators on every niche. So a lot of people are dying to go viral on YouTube to make that passive income. So what we're going to be doing is working as an affiliate to a program that helps people go viral. And it's not an expensive program. A lot of people would be interested in joining that program. And I know that for a fact because the company is making millions of dollars. So step one for this method, it is extremely simple. Step one is to go on their website. It's called sprizzy.com. So you go there. Basically, you're going to scroll down until you see the affiliate program. You're going to click on that and then you're going to sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. So guys, I just signed up, and it's very important for you to fill out your payout method because other than that, how are they going to pay you, right? So put in either PayPal or your credit card information or anything. So after that, they're going to give you a special link for you. And what you're going to do is go to bit.ly and shorten that link because it's going to look much more professional when you shorten it. So it's a free tool here. You put your link and then it's going to give you a, so that's my link for Sprizzy. It's going to give me like a shorter link, as you can see. And I'm going to be using that to send that to my potential customers. So next step is to go on YouTube, and I want you guys to download an extension called vidIQ. Here it is. As you can see, it's called vidIQ. What it does basically is when you go on any video, it gives you analytics about like everybody in the comments and stuff like that. So as you can see, 0 subscribers, 347 subscribers. It tells you everything about everyone. So we're not going to be targeting people with 0 subscribers. We're going to be looking for someone like this guy. So how are we going to find these people to target? You're not just going to go on any video. You can do that, but like it works much better when you go here and type in how to gain followers on subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so we go on a video like that and just open any of these videos. Let's see this one. Open a viral one. Like this one has like 200K. So we go on here and we stop the video and we go to the comments. And using vidIQ, you're gonna find like here we go. Here is a guy. He has 1.12K subscribers. He's definitely new. And here a lot of people are like subbing to anyone who likes this comment. Like all these people are dying to get like more views on their videos. So you want to check some of their profile. Don't go to someone that has like 30 subscribers. We don't want someone like that. We want someone that has already started, that has a couple of subscribers, and someone who actually has good videos. So you're gonna go to their channels and check who has like good videos. Let's say this guy. So we go there and you go and watch their videos. I don't know if they're good. I don't know if his videos are good. Probably not. Like it doesn't look that they're professional. But you want to find someone that has like professional videos with nice thumbnails that is still new. And once you do that, you go to their about and you click on view email address. You click on submit. No, I'm not a robot. You click on the pictures, and then it's going to give you their email address. So here's where my free resource that I'm going to give you comes into play. Make sure to select a proper channel, a channel that has anywhere from like 300 to like 2,000, 3,000, it doesn't matter. And it's not, like the tool we're suggesting is not expensive. For every $50 that they pay, you get $10. So if they pay $100, you get $20, which is not bad. Most of the people buy like 100 or like 200. Nobody buys the 50 unless like some might though. So take their email address and use this template that I'm going to be providing you to contact them. So you're going to be sending them an email, and here we go. I'll show you exactly what to say. I made this template for you guys to contact the supplier. Your client. So what you're going to be saying, hey, my name is blah blah blah, and I've been helping people grow their YouTube channel for 3 years, 5 years, it doesn't matter. I was scrolling through my feed and noticed that your channel, or like if they left a comment on someone's video, say I noticed your comment about wanting to get more views, and then say I watched a couple of videos, and do watch their videos to know what they're about. I watched a couple of their videos and comment on the video. Like if his video was like about a vlog or like a travel vlog or something, comment, be like, oh, your vlog about Portugal, this place that you went to was amazing. Like show them that you actually check their content. This establishes trust between you and them, because otherwise they're gonna think that you're just like a spammer, right? So say I watched a couple of videos and comment on that, and say that you're really putting effort in growing your channel. I can notice that. I found your videos entertaining or educational, depending on what their like content is. And then say I do believe that you have a potential on YouTube. So I wanted to introduce you to a simple and inexpensive tool that can boost your channel and have your videos appear to a wider audience. It will help you get organic viewers and subscribers that will actually engage with your channel. And we're not lying, we're not scamming anyone. It's actually how Sprizzy works. Many people are using this tool, and I only suggest it to people who actually can benefit from it. And like that's where you're like, this is a marketing strategy. Like when you watch their video and comment on it and be like, yeah, I noticed, like comment on a detail, so they would know that you actually were looking for someone special and that they are the someone special. That establishes a trust between you and them. And then post your like link that we got right here. Make sure to make it like the same color and everything, make it look professional. In simplest terms, this tool will connect your videos to YouTube ads platform and can reach you up to 90% of the internet, and any audience is a click away. I promise it will be really beneficial for underrated channel like yours. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, and then put regards and then your name. Make sure to fill out these blanks, or otherwise nobody's going to reply to you. So this is basically the method. The link to this template is going to be in the description down below, and this is a very simple method yet very effective. And if you're still watching, I really know that you're gonna do this method, so let me know in the comment. And on this channel we provide different ways to make money online. So if you're interested in making money online, whether it is using these side hustle or like Shopify, which is my main source of income, make sure to subscribe. And if you liked the video, please hit the likes button. Thank you so much. See you in another video.